When the job site is tough, when site is narrow, where a backhoe loader can't get in, you may end up hiring laborers for the job, but it will cost a lot of time and money. Kubota brings a solution. Kubota U-Series mini excavators 1.5 ton, 3 ton and 5 ton are small sized, consume less fuel and lightweight. Our mini excavators do job that a backhoe loader can't. Kubota U15, U30 and U50. One of the best excavator in the world with 26.1% market share. Kubota mini excavators are the world leader. In the video you can see how Kubota is operating in narrow situation. Kubota, for Earth, for life.